Getting to know you, getting to know all.
So my job role here is head of technical design. Keeping everyone happy, trying to keep making sure we've got enough detail in the drawings to go forward into the workshop without spending too long. Just try and get that balance right between doing too much and too little and making sure all the information you possibly need. So far it's been the cinema, and that's been a really good project to work on. It has multiple elements. So a lot of things coming together, like rib work into wall cladding, and then seats, curved seating. That's been a really interesting and challenging job to work on. Probably as a material, Corian, it's really versatile. You can do a lot with it. It's not just worktops. You can use it as wall cladding. You can shape it. You can see it. So that's a really nice material to use. So at the minute, working on a really interesting kitchen. We've got 17 different materials in it. A lot going on, a lot of curved shapes, a lot of curves going on. So yeah, it's going to be interesting with this one. So it's a really good design, really cool. Generally, we try to draw it from a library of models, but it depends on the design. It depends on what the designer wants. If we've got it or not, we will actually start from a base point. Like we'll take a unit that's similar and modify it to suit. But generally, we try work from a library, but it does depend on the design of what the person wants.